The year 2020 was really a bad year for the entire universe, and ours also not an exception to that. During this year, support of Child Right Now International, Switzerland to Anvesana was certainly praiseworthy. With the financial support of CRN Switzerland, we did the following activities during the year 2020 for two depriving communities like Mankidia and Lodha. In the beginning of COVID-19, when Mankidia community was really struggling for food, we had distributed cooked food to approximately 450 persons per day for 10 days continuously to Mankidia community residing in two different villages named Baliposi and Uthanisahi. In addition to this, we had distributed mask grocery kit which includes rice, dal, oil, salt, vegetables, potatoes for 20 days to 315 families of Mankidia and Lodha community residing in different villages like Baliposi, Dengam, Mahalibasa, Chemchata and Uthanisahi. In addition to this, we had also distributed nutritious food to children of 0 to 3 years and pregnant women. Towards the health care of children, we had conducted free medical checkup camp in two different Mankidia villages, namely Baliposi and Uthanisahi. During this camp, 223 children were attended and medicine distributed to those children absolutely free of cost. We had procured a scooter for the organization. The same is now being used by the secretary as well as other members for the mobility during project activities. During the corona pandemic, government had closed all schools because of which education and food intake of children were seriously hampered. To resolve such issues, we had sent our teachers to respective child's house door to door on regular basis for providing education and monitoring the health and nutritional activities of children. However, during the visit to each child's house, COVID norms were strictly followed as per the guidelines of government. At the end of the month, we were distributing grocery kit to the guardian on behalf of each child. In this way, we continued our educational activity as well as food distribution program. For self-sustainability of Mankidia community, we had started distributing 2 numbers of goats to each family.
They will take utmost care of the goat with regard to their food and sanitation,
with a condition that they will hand over 1 baby goat to a new family each time the goat will deliver, so that a new family will be benefited by this program. We had started a skill development program for women and young girls in the village Madhusudanpur for their self-sustainability. We had started the program with tailoring unit. Total 19 members had participated in that program. A wonderful progress had been seen among the participants. In future, we will do other programs with that group and expecting that they will certainly generate earning capacity for their family. During winter, we had distributed 2 numbers of warm blankets to each family of Mankidia and Lodha community in 5 different villages like Baliposi, Uthanisahi, Chemchata, Kenduhuti and Dengam. Approximately 310 numbers of blankets had been distributed during this campaign. In addition to this, we had also distributed saris to old widow women in those villages as well as blankets to mentally retarded and handicapped persons separately. Our success. We are happy to inform you that the skill development program which we had started 1 year before, we can see the result during this year. Corona pandemic, around 10,000 numbers of masks were prepared by those trainees. Among those trainees, 2 have already started their own setup for income generation. Subhana, a young girl of Nohamalia village who was going near 12 km far from her house to take tailoring training in our school development program, now successfully installed a machine with the help of Anvesana. Now she is earning almost rupees 500 per day for their family. Happy to note that she has given financial support to her father in constructing a concrete house for her unit and for her family. Arati, a woman trainee of the village Sarbana, is also supporting her family by doing tailoring work. By doing so, she is adding income to her family as well as providing extra educational care to her children by way of providing home tuition. We are really grateful to CRN Switzerland for their timely support during the need of the hour. Corona pandemic certainly saved many lives of Mankidia and Lodha community. On behalf of the management, staff and beneficiaries of this project, our sincere thanks to all the members, donors and in particular to Mr. Daniel Rudin for their financial contribution and valuable suggestions which really help us to do something valuable for Mankidia and Lodha community, the most deprived sections of our society.